is a millionaire.
What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is going to be a day in a life as a six-figure trader. Going to just show you what I get up to on a day-to-day basis, and yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to be doing today is obviously go to the gym. You know, it is about 10:08. London session only opens up 10. Luckily due to daylight savings, so we do have a little bit extra time to, you know, have a bit more sleep in. But yeah, that's kind of what we're going to be doing at the moment on our way there, and I'll check you there.
They don't even know me. Now they're feeling different when the money come fast. I got least low key.
Awesome guys, we just finished our gym session with Zach. Bit of a chest and tri sesh. Yeah, session's almost starting soon with the students, so we're gonna jump and find a coffee shop, go to the coffee shop, start a bit of work, and then take it from there.
You know they won't play like me. Something that your money won't reach. Then she gave no love for me.
Okay, cool guys, so checking in here pre-London. It's 20 minutes before the open. We just had a good gym session. It's nice and warm outside. We're about to order some breakfast, get some work done. We've got a couple meetings to go to today. We're going to go view an office. We have a meeting with our developers out in Amsterdam with regards to our fund, and we've got a couple of discovery calls we're going to be doing for the team. So busy day ahead. Let's get some breakfast in, let's do some pre-market analysis, send it out to the Discord, to the team, and let's see if we can make some money today.
Got your shawty listen from the city, from the sticks, and no matter where I throw it, yes, you know it's gon' stick. Shawty isn't me, no babe. Shawty isn't me, no, yeah.
We're on session at the moment and there's something busy setting up. Let's see if we can get positioned on GJ this morning. My boys on the Discord, so I'm busy chatting to the students, but we need this price to get into our value area and see if we can get TP2. We just tapped into that level now at the moment. Let's see if we can get a good reaction off it. We're not just basing our trades off our strategy, we actually have stats as well. 67% good green day, and we can see that it's absolutely beautiful. Just got our food. We're currently in the position. Let's see what happens. We're getting a nice little reaction to the downside there. Beautiful trade, beautiful food. Awesome guys, we just finished breakfast. We jumped off the London session with the students. Unfortunately, the first trade idea that, as you can see, it ended off in a negative. We hit $170 loss, which is absolutely fine. I mean, not every day is a trading day. Not every day we're going to hit profits. For this week, I'm already up $1,700, which is perfectly fine. So coming into today's trade, I was willing to put on a little bit of a risk, and the fact that we managed our risk as best as possible and only hit $170 loss is absolutely beautiful, because that's less than, you know, 0.5% of our account size, right? So what we're going to do for the rest of the day is we got a few meetings that we need to attend to. We just have offices that we need to go look at, see if that we want to move in there, and yeah, I'll take it forward from there. Probably go for a lunch, and yeah, peace out.
16 fees now. Bring my fees up. All of us teed up. We gon' whip brown like, yeah, you know. Money so low.
Awesome guys, we just finished all our meetings on consultations and discovery calls, onboarding new members that are coming towards our team, you know, getting them ready and explaining exactly how we're going to elevate their trading to the next level, right? Then we also got off a call with the Amsterdam guys that are developing us a new quant fund that has been going on for about 3 years already. We're almost ready to launch. Can't wait to bring this to you guys, because it's going to be absolutely insane. You have never seen anything like this before in South Africa, so super excited to give it a launch. And now we're on our way to go view offices for our company. We've been doing and in this works for a while now, so super excited. Gonna let you guys know what it is and we're gonna be bringing with. Currently we're just sitting here waiting to view our offices at the moment, but my boy and I are currently in a BTC trade, ripping it up at the moment. Come on, show us the goods there.
BTC long here, James. $151. It's pretty textbook setup this morning. Called it live on stream. We've had clear breaks about overnights, holding into the DNA, holding into the US. Put on night risk, so just pays for dinner. Let's go and check out the office.
Awesome, guys. We've just been looking at all the meetings, and as you can see, I mean, some of the conference rooms that we have, it says NASDAQ, Wall Street. I think this is definitely something we're looking for, and we're going to start making some good business here and bring a lot of our top-end clients. You know what I mean?
Makes sense. Makes sense. It's professional, it's institutional. I think it's the next step for us. It's a bit small, but it has all the facilities. So whenever we do a meetup, you know, all the Cape Town guys are more than welcome to come visit. Legacy Basement Solutions. Yeah, we're more than happy to help and cater to everybody.
Yeah, 100%. And we can even grab a small little coffee. This is the area. Overall, pretty happy with the office space. And yeah, now we've got a few other things we need to get done. Probably go for some lunch, do some more business, and take it forward from there. Beautiful office, super keen and excited to get it done. You know, at the end of the day, we are Forex traders. We don't have to be in the office every single day. I mean, beautiful area, good cars driving around, BMWs right there if you want to get some motivation. We have some awesome restaurants around the area too. And yeah, super keen. Let's get some lunch and we take it forward from there. So yeah guys, that's pretty much the day in the life of me today. Super busy, as I said, woke up in the morning, went to the gym. Vitally important to have that routine and feel energized and productive straight from the morning, right? Then going into having a bit of breakfast with my partner Zach. I'm gonna leave his at here too. Catching a trade, unfortunately the setup did not go away. We lost $200, but I'm not worried. Not every day we're gonna win. That's how trading works. Then coming to, and I mean, we are up $1,800 for the week. And keep in mind, it is only Wednesday. Right. Yeah, and essentially then just followed up, did some student meetings after breakfast, you know, after the London session that we caught. As I said, $200 loss, but I mean, we're up $1,800 for the week. So leaves us at 1.6, which is still great. You know, essentially waking up in the morning, taking trades, and that's done for the day. As I said, proceeded to do some meetings with our students, onboard new students, getting them prepared and ready to revolutionize their trading. Then getting into the point where we're doing meetings, guys, in Amsterdam, you know, developing our quant fund. As I said, super excited to release that. That's going to be something most people haven't seen before. And, you know, a lot of these TikTokers or people are selling bots, and essentially, you know, they don't even have a track record. Myself and my partner, we've been working on this for about 3 years already, have a proven track record that it does work. So super excited to release that soon. Just doing a few last tweaks before it is released. But yeah, I'll stay tuned for that. Then going to see offices. I think it was long overdue that we didn't have offices, but now we're wanting. It is small, but it's exactly what we need. Come in, it's close by, do our trading in the morning. You know, there is a gym close there as well. And then, you know, meet people, you know, bring people to the office, meet in person, and bring clients, you know, wanting to see what exactly we do into the conference room, and, you know, just give them a bit of more knowledge in that sense. Offices look great. I mean, if you guys saw the few of the clips, it was Forex, Wall Street, you know, NASDAQ, the conference room's names. And then, yeah, coming home essentially at about 3 o'clock, you know, did a few, essentially, coming home at 3 o'clock, essentially all you saw I was doing, I was driving around for myself. I wasn't working for someone else. I was doing this all for myself, developing my business, my company, you know, what I'm doing to make more money in life. And just chasing my dream. Not going to a certain place because my boss, and essentially not everyone has this opportunity. What I'm trying to show you is that trading can bring you the time freedom. Trading can bring you the location freedom. It's not all about the money. Everyone focuses on trying to make money now. But if you just focus on getting that skill to the point where it's infinite money can be made simply by just learning the skill and doing it right. Now you can see it's not all about making millions of dollars. It's simply about making enough to survive, and then making, as you grow in your skill, you'll see to make more, and your lifestyle can also increase, and your goals and your dreams can increase, your ambitions. And essentially, 3 o'clock, I'm done for the day. It was pretty hot here in Cape Town. Jumped in the pool, nice to cool off. And that's a typical day, I would say, when it comes to my life. Not every day we're meeting in offices, but we're meeting clients, meeting up with them. I think if you guys enjoy this, leave a comment below, and we can definitely do something again. And I'll do more of these, show exactly what I'm doing. We'll play some golf. We'll go view cars. We'll go to exotic car events. Meet up with clients. Also be traveling a lot more on this channel. I think I want to take YouTube a little bit more serious, so if you guys enjoy it, please like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell. And essentially, that's what I do. If you guys want to know more, let me know. My Instagram, I'll leave on the top left here. And I'm super keen to bring as much value as I possibly can and show you exactly how money works and how it's made it work for myself, and how to develop a business. But that's all, guys. Peace out.